Hello folks, Peebo here. Robbyn and I are out fishing today. Today we're going to try to catch us some catfish. We'll probably catch a few bluegills. Last week we put in 333 new little catfish. They're pretty small, but the ones we put in last year should be around 3 pounds or so, and we're going to try to catch those. Today for bait, we're trying something new. Denny King's Catfish Punch Bait. It's a stinky bait, and man, does it's pretty stinky. And we've also got our Robbyn's favorite, the night crawlers. Go ahead, Robbyn, get out there, cast her out there, and see if you can catch a bluegill. Hey, that's a good spot. Well, I'm going to get these other poles baited up and get right after them.
That's what happened.
Well, Robbyn's got a fish of some kind or another here. Bringing him up on this side. It's a bit of a biter.
Oh,
well, what you got there, Robbyn? Oh, you got a really nice bluegill.
Pretty nice bluegill for the pond.
Oh boy, he looks like a champion. He's got the kind of an orange
yellow
color on him there. Well, let's have a look at that guy. Oh, he's a nice one. That yeah, that's a nice bluegill right there. Ow. He's a nice one. That'll come out nicely. Oh, that's a really nice bluegill.
Yeah, it is.
Good job, hon. Yeah. That's a really nice fish right there. Oops, I'll be getting him in the camera.
Now hold him up.
Let's let him go.
Hold him up closer so he looks bigger.
hold him up close so he looks bigger. Well, there, look, he's huge.
He's huge.
Look at that. Yay for fishing. Let him go. Let him go and let him grow. Well, that's a good start. We're going to be catching catfish and bluegill. We plan to stay late after dark, and so we're going to stay for a little while. Oh goodness! Get a kind of a nighttime video. We brought the light with us, a Coleman lantern, and some Robbyn's homemade ham salad sandwiches. That'll make the fish bite. Well, get right back out there, babe. That's a good spot.
So,
hey, Robbyn's got her another fishy here. Well,
oh, it's another big one.
Another big one.
This is the same one.
Oh, it looks like the same one, doesn't it, honey?
The same one.
It sure does. Can you hold the camera for me? Okay. All right, let me put a nice fish here.
Yeah.
There you go.
Get him, Peebo.
I know. It's like I've never done this before.
Did he just quiver?
Yeah.
I thought I seen him move like that. He didn't get my worm this time.
If I can hold on to him. Don't see me. There. All right. Let's let him go. Nice fish.
Yeah, it is a nice one. I think that's just a tad bigger than that other one.
Yeah. Robbyn's on it again, folks. She's got her bluegill or something cornered here on the little bobber right there.
That's a littler bluegill, I think. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, nice little bluegill.
Get one. Oh, that's a pretty one.
He's got some color, huh?
Yeah.
Look at that. Well, look at that guy. Well, Nice fish.
I think it's a girl.
Have I got a fish biting?
Yeah. Your bobbers are gone.
Well, I got a big one, folks. Oh, look at there. Looky there. Well. Oh, bluegill. Oh, he looks like a nice one. He's got, yeah, he's got black on his ear. A black ear, I guess, right there. Oh, hey man, work on this one. Well, folks, Bevo caught a fish. These little things up there. Is that 2 to 2, Robbyn?
No.
Catching up there.
No, 2 to 3.
2 to 3. Well, she correct me if I'm wrong about this. All right, let's let him go. See you later, little buddy. Well, people's got a fish. Got a fish here. Yeah, got me another one. A nice little bluegill here. He's got a black ear and a yellow belly, and he looks like another nice fish. Yeah, we'll have to work on that little hook right there. I think I can get that. There we go. Got the hook out nicely. Ah, he's a nice little bluegill. See you later. Oh, he took off just to getting it. Well, Robbyn's up at the truck, and she's got a fish on her pole, or was. Fish on her little bobber. He's probably still out there. Yeah, he is. Look at the pole. Better grab that, hun. You better grab that. Yeah. Yeah, that bobber went down while you were up at the truck getting your jacket. And Robbyn reeling her in. Pole bending. Bobber dancing. You bet. Oh, he looks like a nice one. A nice little bluegill. Good job, babe. Got one.
So now it's 4 to 3.
3 to 3. Now 4 to 3. Okay.
Hang on a second. It's
All right.
it's up. It's up with it.
I'll fix that. Huh?
Okay.
Hand it to me. Now I want you to do some movie. Here, see if we can get that hook out. Oh boy, come out nicely. This is a really nice fish. A nice bluegill. Let's let him go. See you later, buddy.
A little more worm. Maybe. Ain't much left on there.
Try that right there, baby. They'll eat hell out of that. There's not much on there now. They have to grab the hook. The bug's pretty good today.
Oh, you're kidding me. Now that's a barbless hook.
Do you need some help there? Not doing it.
Yeah. I don't know why it won't come out.
I don't know what you're talking about. I can't see.
It's in my jacket.
Oh.
Give me them needle nose thingies. Dang. That ain't a barbless hook. Yeah. Here you go. Baby. No, that's got a barb on it. What's up with me having a barbed hook?
I don't have those in barbed hook, honey.
Yes, you do, because this has got a barb on it.
I meant I don't have them in barbless in that size. Okay, but everything's still running.
You say, hang on.
Robbyn's got a fish. Hey, that's a real nice bluegill. Right there. How many fishies is that, Robbyn? 5.
5.
Yeah. 5 right there. Yeah. You want me to get that?
No.
Oh.
Thank you very much.
Robbyn's got it. There's a nice fish. Well, let's let him go.
He's pretty. Thanks. I pierced your nose for you, no charge.
Yay. Well, Peebo's got him one here. Oh boy. Come right up. He just took the old bobber right down. So, he's a nice bluegill. Well, pretty nice. Fish are biting pretty good today, seems like. Today's April the 25th. It's a little bit chilly today. And there's another nice one.
That's 5 to 5.
5 to 5, so. Goodness, Peebo. Well, let's let him go.
Now, throw him over here so I can catch him.
Throw him over so Robbyn catch him. You want me to throw them all over there?
Yeah,
Robbyn?
yeah, I'll throw them all over there.
Okay, I will. He got her now. Yeah, just sitting there watching Robbyn's bobber, and it was, oh, she's got one, boy. He means business. Okay. He's really biting and pulling. Yeah. Oh, he's got some size to him there. Look at that champion. He's a nice one. Oh, here, hon. I'll take this and I'll take the pole. I'll get that hook out there. Well,
Orange ear.
if I can keep from dropping him now. So we got a pretty nice fish right there. He's a nice one. Let's let him go.
That was a nice one. Here's the bite. Oh.
Hey, Robbyn's got her another one. He's really a feisty one. Well, there you go. He's a real nice one. He's got the orange. Looks like he's got the orange ear. You want to hand him over here, honey?
He's just barely hooked.
Yeah, well, I'm trying to see the fish.
Oh.
Yeah.
He's wagging his tail.
Yeah. Hey, he's got that orange ear on him right there. Yeah.
Did you see? Watch, let's see if he does it again.
He wags his tail when you rub his head. Imagine that. Get tickled over the silliest things.
Hold still, little buddy. You're trying to get away from me and I can't get a good hold on that. Would you hold still? Sorry. I'm not as good at... There.
Did you get him?
Feel better?
Well, good.
He ain't doing it now. He's mad.
Yeah.
All right. You're number 7. See you later.
Hey. Good job.
Thanks. 7 to 5.
7 to 5. Well.
I think. 7 to 6. Well,
Folks, people's got a beast right here. Goodness. Yeah.
oh, that is a nice one.
He actually has blue gills. Finally, a bluegill with blue gills. Right there, we've seen it.
Yes.
Oh. Yeah, he's a nice one. There you go. See you later. Well, that was a nice one. Oh, I need a break. I need a break. We've been catching fish hand over fist. How many is that, babe?
I think 7 to 6.
7 to 6. That's 13 fish.
This is your 7th, I know for sure.
People's got a fish. Looky there. He's a little fighter. He's a little fighter. He's just a pulling. Yeah. It's a nice fish. I don't know when these bluegills will spawn, but
Oh, wow, that is a nice one.
oh, we got a pretty nice bluegill right here. This is a nice one. Well, a nice bluegill. I get the hook out of him. There it is. Yeah. He's got a lot of green on him, kind of greenish. He's got a lot of green color and a black ear. Yeah, he needs business. Yeah, let's let him go. Yay for fishing. That was a nice fish.
Yeah.
Robbyn's got another bluegill coming up here.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's a baby.
Oh, look at that. Look at that one. Oh, he's a nice bluegill right there. Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Well, I'm going to have to go to work on this hook. Well, yeah.
Yeah, them babies.
He's right down in there, too. Got it.
Good job.
Got it. Yeah. Yeah. Well, he's a nice one. Let's let him go.
Yeah, number 9. Or is that number 8? Or maybe it's number 8.
Oh, I don't know, honey. Well,
Uh,
looks like people might have a fish. Oh, yeah. He's a real fighter, folks. He's a real fighter. Bring him up.
oh, nice one.
He's a nice one. He's got the orange on his ear right there, and got some size to him. Had a nice fight about him. And a fun fish to catch right there. Yeah, nice one, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, let's let him go. See you later, little buddy.
That's 7 for you. And 9 or 10 for me.
9 or 10.
Yeah.
Okay, well.
Oh, goodness.
Oh boy,
What is this one?
Robbyn's got a big one. What do you got? He's really biting. He's a real
Oh,
biter,
my
folks.
goodness.
Oh, he's a
He's
champion
mad.
here. Let's bring him up. Oh, nice.
Look,
He's got the, huh?
black fins.
He's got the orange on his ear right there. Here you go. Yeah. See if we can get that hook out right there. Waha. Well, he's a real nice one, folks.
He is.
Look at that guy. Well,
You got your finger on his eye.
get a better.
He's birdie.
Nice fish. Nice little fish. Let's let him go.
That's Rowdy. He was Rowdy.
He was getting a bite on his bobber here. Seems like. Come on. Hey, Robbyn's in the bluegill department again. Oh, he's really biting right there.
Trying to get under the dock.
Bringing the. Bring him up.
Oh, it's a baby.
There you go, baby one. Well. Okay. Well, there, folks. We got us another little bluegill. There you go. Well, there he is. Let's let him go. He's got a lot of yellow. Got a lot of yellow color on this one.
Yeah. So he might be a little bit big too.
There, we got one coming up.
Look at that.
Putting up a fuss.
Yeah. Oh.
Catching him there. Oh, he's a really nice fish. Let's see this guy. Yeah, he's a nice one.
Hooked him right in the corner of the mouth.
Robbyn.
Oh.
Got him right in the corner there. Get that hook, Peebo. Hey. Oh. He's a. There he is.
They are lively for sure.
Nice little fish. All right. Let's let him go.
Yeah.
Oh, I got one here. Another little bluegill. He's a little fighter. He's a little fighter, this bluegill. Bring him up. He's a nice one, kind of yellow. I can get that out. Another nice one here.
And another one.
And Robbyn's on a fish. Let me put him down because I'm going to have to work on that hook. And see what Robbyn's got.
Yeah, I think he's on there, Robbyn. No?
Nope, he got off.
He got away. Oh, he pulled it under and then he managed to get out of it. Well, there's my bobber going under. Hey, look at that. Look at that, Peebo. Now you're holding the camera. What do you do? Can you help me with this, Robbyn?
Yeah.
I'm gonna catch this fish. Oh, he's a little fighter. I got a lot of fishing poles everywhere. I got poles heading out for catfish and I'm getting tangled in them. Here we go. Hey, nice little bluegill.
Yeah.
Right there. And we'll have to work on that hook. I just tied a new hook on here. Sometimes I just cut the line. It's better for them. Probably going to be the case right here again on these things. You just go ahead and cut the line, and just taking that hook out will do more damage to the fish than leaving it in. It'll come out, rust out, work out eventually. So let's let him go. Yay for fishing.
Got one.
Yeah.
Well, folks, Robbyn's catching her fish. Make sure the camera's on there. Yeah, well, folks, Robbyn's catching her fish now and bringing it up over here. Bringing her right up. Oh, look at the size of that one.
Well.
Bringing it over here. Flying
Catch it,
fish.
people. It's a flying fish.
Yeah. Boy, ain't that a dandy.
Yeah, it is pretty good.
That's a nice bluegill right there. He's a champion. It's a real nice one.
We got my worm.
Mm-hmm.
He deserves it.
Yeah. What a fish. Let's get a look at him on the front camera here. And yeah, this guy. He's a real nice one. Got an orange on his gill right there. Well, let's let him go. That was a real nice one, huh? Kind of makes me wonder if we ought to be getting a weight on that guy. Nice heavy fish. This, let me tell the folks a little bit about Zebco. Robbyn uses the Zebco Roam. I really recommend that fishing pole, that reel. We've been using that going on 4 years now, and it's outfished me for 4 years. I just put new line on it yesterday. We used a trilene 12-pound fluorocarbon, a little rosy bobber, a swivel, and I put some extra weight on it. It's got a bigger weight, makes the casting good. A Cajun line leader and a little bitty bluegill hook. So it casts real good. How's it casting for you?
Like a dream.
Like a dream. Well, that's what Robbyn's working with. My rig, well, it's just all cobbled together. So, but that's Pivo fishing for you. Some of Robbyn's homemade ham salad sandwiches. That'll make the fish bite. Well, folks, Robbyn and I took a little break after our sandwiches, and we fished on a little bit. I don't know, maybe the bluegill bites kind of died down. We sure have caught a lot of bluegill today, and had a great time doing that. And catfish didn't bite today. Well, yeah, they'll, we'll get around to catch some catfish here at some point, I'm sure. But it's been well, they're right there, Robbyn. You got a bite there. Right there. No?
No.
Well, Robbyn's bobber dancing over there. But anyway, it's been a good day, and we want to thank everybody for watching. Like, subscribe, leave us a comment, and remember, yay for fishing!